Hello guys, I'm Bhavna Chawla. Welcome to Smart Horizon. In this video, we will be learning about the eraser tool and the layer masking. As you work in Photoshop, you will find it difficult to extract a part of an image. For this, we use eraser tool or we can do layer masking. So we will open an image like I have here. Now to extract the object from the background. That is, I want this bird to be get extracted from the background we have here. One way is to use eraser tool. By using this tool, we will erase the original pixels. So this method is kind of destructive method as we cannot retrieve those pixels in future. To select the eraser tool, we can press E or we can select the eraser tool from here. Eraser tool has options same as that of a brush tool. We will now simply click and drag to erase some part. Other option, I will press Ctrl Z to undo. Other option is to select the part that we want to get extracted and press backspace on your keyboard. For example, if I want to extract this blue part in this image, I'll select that part with the help of selection tools and press backspace on my keyboard. Now when we use eraser tool, we want to get sure that our object does not get deleted. For that too, we will select the object, activate the eraser tool and then erase the part. As I said, if something is selected, only the area of the selection will work. So this is it. You can even have a soft eraser. As we have soft brushes, we do have soft erasers. And we can have a feathery look. Like this. As you can see, the edges are feathery. I'll press Ctrl Z and Ctrl D. So this is our eraser tool. Next is our layer masking. First you will select the object. Be sure that the layer on which the object lies is selected. So for selecting the object, I will click on the blue color. Because this blue color has same color pixels, I'll activate my magic wand tool and click once, and then I'll inverse my selection. Now if I move, I can see my white part and the bird is moving, not the blue one. As I said earlier, what I just did is, as I do not want this white part to get selected, I just press Alt and click on the white part, it gets deselected. Now what if I press V, that is activate the move tool and move it around, I'll just have this bird. So I have selected the object. Next is, we will click on this layer mask option here, add layer mask. I'll click on it and you can see our blue and white area gets extracted and I only have this red bird here. If we go to the layer panel here, we will see a thumbnail in which the selected object is of white color and the rest is of black color. That shows the white object are visible after we apply layer mask. If we right click on this thumbnail and click disable layer mask, we will now have the hidden pixels back on the canvas. When we click on this thumbnail again, we will activate the layer mask again. So this is it for this session. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, kindly press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified when we upload new content. Thank you.